Hi there guys, this is LRC6. This is the Leather Mousse Cleaner. This works perfectly for leather items that are very delicate, that are pigmented leather, and on classic cars or vintage furniture where it is a little bit more delicate and has a lot of patina, and you wish to have a foam to clean over the surface, because obviously the foam will last longer on the surface than what a standard leather cleaner does. So give it a little bit of a shake up and simply press the pump spray, and as you can clearly see, you have some amazing foam, and that smells absolutely divine. The smell is absolutely fantastic. They've built in amazing, genuine leather aroma. So when you're cleaning over the surface, you can agitate it lightly with a brush if you need to, or just simply go over with the sponge and massage that in to your leather item. If it's got like a little bit of an area which is a little bit more dirtier than other areas, don't go like rubbing really hard, just gently massage over the surface, a bit like this, just gently massage over the surface to massage that into the actual leather item. You can wipe away with a terry towel, or you can use a bamboo cloth to wipe away, and these are antimicrobial, so they're brilliant. Now, if you've got a fragile leather item, we also do a bamboo pad, a bamboo cleaning pad, which is great for cleaning any type of surface, not just leather. It will clean anything in and around the home also. Every type of leather has a specific type of product to clean it. So things like magic erasers, you never ever use them to clean leather. Steaming it, you never ever use it to clean leather. After all, you wouldn't use a house brick to clay bar your car, so just bear that in mind. You've got to have the right product for the job at hand, and this is why we've developed products like this, LRC6 Leather Foam Mousse Cleaner, with a great foaming action for your auto foaming on your seats, cleans leather deep down that's fragile leather. It's fantastic for cleaning over the surface. LRC6 from the Leather Repair Company. Hop on over to the website, leatherrepaircompany.com.